What is going on YouTube? Hannah back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we're going to be paying attention to XRP as well as a few other altcoins. We're also going to be looking at BitYard as well as the current coin market cap and the S&P 500. Specifically in today's episode, I want to continue to discuss the very interesting pattern happening within XRP. Basically, the past couple of days, we've actually seen XRP get very close to what appeared to be a top, a resistance, a downtrend in pattern, and it started to correlate with a lot of other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, and so on and so forth. So I want to continue to analyze those patterns, kind of giving us a general consensus and idea of where exactly the market could be headed to and what we should be expecting moving forward, and then kind of reevaluating our situation. Otherwise, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe. We're on our way to 18,000 subscribers, so definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up as this does help support the YouTube algorithm. Follow me on Twitter at CryptoVOfficial. This way, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can DM me over there. Otherwise, let's jump right into today's episode. Alright guys, so I just want to dive right into today's episode. As you guys can clearly see, XRP is pulled up right here. So we've been tracking this coin for quite a while now, pretty much ever since the break actually happened within XRP. And you can see we've been trying to figure out where exactly this uptrend relies, where the bottom support is, where the uptrend is. And you can see for the most part, this is pretty much what we've come up with. Some sort of bottom support right here, an uptrend with a resistance ultimately leading us in towards some sort of a symmetrical triangle. Now, we've been watching this for quite some time now. A lot of people are much closer zoomed in than I was and notice an ascending triangle that formed here. Both of them are accurate regardless, as they both correlate with each other very well. You can see the resistance up here panning out and playing very, very, very well according to its pattern, showing that every time we hit here is a resistance and a correction, and vice versa, this bottom support, every time we retest this, we reverse to the upside. So ultimately what we're looking at right now is, you can even see on the MACD, we had a slight bearish cross here. But what's interesting to notice is within the rejection, which was great, and the fact that we crossed below this moving average is another great sign too. Hopefully you capitalized off the short here. I know I did. I actually showed you guys in a video how I capitalized off this short moving downwards, and then it looks like we're now hitting a bottom support. So this could be interesting too. I mean, long term, we could expect, I wouldn't even say long term, the next couple of days, we could anticipate the price of XRP to kind of move like this and slowly trade up, kind of filling the gap. But I mean, we've pretty much closed off big movements. We could see maybe 24 to 25 cents. It could be a small win in the price if you are trading that. But I do believe we are going to start to see a correction to the upside. Now, I do want to pull up BitYard really quickly, and as you guys can see, we just click on the XRP chart here. I want to go to the daily right now. I'm going to remove these because I don't necessarily need them on my charting, but I do see that we have the uptrend forming clear as day right here. Very similar, finally, with the pattern we've been watching on the XRP price right here. On Bitfinex, you can see that we have the uptrend, we have the downtrend, very similar to what's actually happening here on BitYard. And you can see this does show a bottom support and a top resistance, some sort of, pennant flag forming on this cryptocurrency. Now, this does open up a few doors. Obviously, I've been using BitYard to trade XRP on an exchange. Now, obviously, you can use other exchanges like Binance and things like that. I personally think BitYard is probably one of the better websites because of the fact that it's so beginner friendly and it allows you to buy long, sell short, leverage trade cryptocurrency, which is incredible. You have all these to choose from, as well as derivatives and some other pretty crazy stuff. So you can even see right here on innovative area the other cryptocurrencies that are available, the options, which isn't there yet, but innovative area, all these other altcoins, as well as the main area, which is the bigger, well-known cryptocurrencies. But I've been trading off of this and capitalizing off the movement. Now, I commented and linked BitYard in the description down below. I highly recommend you sign up for good reason. Obviously, you guys want to move along with these videos and you want to follow along with the trades that I make. And in order to do that, I highly recommend having having BitYard, because when I do decide to short cryptocurrency, you can now follow through. Now we have over 100 people that have been signing up to BitYard, so huge shout out to you guys. You know who you are. Definitely make sure to follow suit and join in, as we do have a very big growing community on Patreon where we actually all collaborate and share our ideas and analytics in regards to moving cryptocurrencies. Now the great thing is, not only is this for more advanced traders, but it's also for beginner traders or novices that are really just overall new to the market or haven't yet wanted to risk trading real crypto or real money. They offer this demo account, which is incredible, and it allows you to capitalize off movements within the market. You can see nothing really changed except for the balance. The balance is now 100,000 USDT. Now, we did have a few faulty trades in the past where I forgot to trade, but you can see we're now back above 100,000, not by much, but it was a fairly profitable trade. Made like $250 off of a $1,000 movement that could have very easily been done in the live demo account, or sorry, in the live account, and you guys could have capitalized off that too. So I highly recommend you check this out, as I do believe we are going to be moving up very soon. And if you're new and you don't want to invest money and you want to test your skills, use the demo. If you're ready, definitely check out the live. But huge shout out to everybody that's supporting the channel by signing up. So specifically continuing this pattern here, ultimately what it looks like we're doing is we need to fill the gap here. We need to consolidate a little bit longer. Now today is the 17th, and I do believe we're going to see some consolidation, probably into 24 cents right here. This consolidation is what we really need for the price of XRP to really show us where this movements are going to be going to and how high we're going to be popping. Ultimately, it gives us some consolidation, and you might actually be able to make a small profit if you wanted to buy long here, and probably consider that the price of the cryptos might move up to about 24 cents, 0.245 instead of the 0.241. But it's just so minuscule. Ultimately, we're waiting for the gap to pretty much fill for us to get a general understanding of what exactly is going to be happening. Now, looking at the other, altcoins and markets, you can see clear as day that the sign here that I've been saying with the S&P 500 showing a double top here makes me believe that the market wants to correct lower. It's just a matter of time. We have to figure it out. We have to play it by ear. But I do believe this is hinting at the fact a correction is coming. That's why I have yet to buy into the market right now, because I do believe that the dip is coming for the S&P 500. And that's why I do believe that some of this money that's floating around in the economy and in the market is going to drop. And it could, coincidentally affect cryptocurrency and have that correct lower too. So definitely pay attention to it. It's really hit or miss at this point. Now, moving on to the other cryptocurrencies, you can see XRP, we've discussed, is probably bouncing off that to move up slightly. On the daily, we have Bitcoin right here trending on an uptrend, kind of intertwined within this upwards channel right here. I do believe this is probably due to correct a little bit lower or consolidate. I'm not really investing into Bitcoin right now, as this chart is slightly harder to read than the rest. But you can see with Litecoin 2 being beautifully shown out with this descending fractal that we found, this offers another very good opportunity to capitalize off movements with Litecoin trending so well. You can see an immediate correction right here, consolidating now probably within this moving average here, or sorry, within this sideways channel, probably going to consolidate out to around the 25th, which is what we said within XRP, to the 25th here. And then we're going to pretty much decide whether we're going to pop out of the fractal, which is very possible, or break bearish out of the fractal, which is also very possible. Lastly, Ethereum is trading pretty okay. Consolidating, we had the bullish cross on the moving average here, which is great. We still have a bullish cross of the MACD, but ultimately things are slightly wonky, I would say, for Ethereum. So my main focus right now would be on Litecoin and XRP, because these are showing the best signs in regards to what to trade on and how to capitalize off movements. Now, current coin market cap looks great as well. For the most part, we're pretty much just consolidating right now, but I do think we're holding up very well. So I'm definitely getting ready. I already capitalized off the drop that we had right here, the small one here, but you guys can see the clear and obvious XRP pattern forming on XRP's charts, on the daily charts. So it's merely just a matter of time. We're waiting for this consolidation. Very, very, very good chance we are going to slowly start to trickle back up. So if you wanted to capitalize off that movement, go for it. Link in the description of BitYard. Definitely make sure to sign up. Over 100 people have so far. It's a great way to support the channel. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up, as this does help support the YouTube algorithm. Follow me on Twitter at CryptoViaOfficial, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.